then we need to create a new column named bonus that will be basically the double sum of the salary. So let's begin. Here I just use the name of our data frame and define the new column named bonus. And here just a simple math operation like we do in Python as usual. So I will use employees column salary and multiply it by 2. And right away I can return the employees data frame because it will be already modified with the bonus column. And other approach will be to use the assign function. This function I just assign the new columns to the data frame. Example bonus. That will be equals employee's salary multiplied by 2. I think we need here. And we don't need to take this extra row. Yeah, we can just do it like this. Let's try to run it. And it's good to know.